दिलं तर हे लगेचच्या लगेच देऊ शकतील. हे काय ते 15 एप्रिलचा हा दिसतो, हा 15चा. मला वाटतं मुंबई आणि महाराष्ट्र एकच आहे, काही फार मोठा फरक नाही आहे. पण मुंबईला पूर्वीच्या म्हणजे ही जी ऑर्डर दिलेली आहे ह्यात 19 लाख दिसत होते, 19,06,500 ते आता 9,06,500 दिलेत. मला असं वाटतं की या दोन्ही कॉपीज मी तुम्हाला जरूर देतो. मला एवढंच सांगायचं की हे फोन्सच्या नंतर झालेला काही छोटा मोठा बदल त्यांनी केलेला आहे, ज्यामध्ये त्यांनी केरळला वाढून दिलेले आहेत आणि ज्यामध्ये त्यांनी मुंबईला महाराष्ट्राला वाढून दिलेले आहेत. एक छोटीशी अमेंडमेंट त्यांनी केलेली आहे, बाकी सगळं सेम टू सेम राहील. परंतु मला वाटतं की तरीसुद्धा जरूर त्यांनी दिलेत. एकंदर दोन्ही मिळून त्यांनी जी काही ऑर्डर दिलेली आहे त्याच्यात 20-25 लाख रुपये 20 लाख 25-26 लाखपर्यंत हे दिलेले आहेत. त्याबद्दल मी त्यांचे आभारच मानेल, मनापासून आभार मानेल. पण आणखीन पण जास्त द्यावं, कारण आमची रेट जास्त आहे आणि अशी जी परिस्थिती येते, हँड टू माउथची जी परिस्थिती येते ती येऊ नये एवढी अपेक्षा मी जरूर करेन.
Sir, what about Remdesivir's black marketing that is happening due to the acute shortage out there, not only in Maximum City but then also in the state?
This Remdesivir has really run out of the stock, and Remdesivir has to be used very rationally. That is an appeal to all of the doctors. They are using it very irrationally. Many of the doctors are using it very irrationally, and so the demand is increasing. My appeal to them is they should really strictly follow the treatment protocol issued by the task force of Maharashtra, in which it is very clearly said that there are 5 categories of patients, and in 3 categories no Remdesivir should be used, like A, B and C, like all asymptomatic and mild and moderate. But other than that, Remdesivir should be used. So a proper rational use is required, number 1. And number 2, yes, as the demand increases and the supply is less, so there is always, it's the human nature that black marketing occurs. So we have to go very heavy on the stockist, on the pharmacist, those who are supplying this the Remdesivir, that they should not do any type of black marketing at all. They should sell at the fixed price, which we will be fixing. We have appointed a committee under the chairmanship of Dr. Shinde, and that committee's report will be immediately issued tonight, because I will be having a VC with all the manufacturers of the Remdesivir companies, and after that I am urging all of the manufacturers of the Remdesivir that you should cut down your MRP. The MRP prices written on the boxes, it is 4,000, 3,000 and 5,000, somewhere like that. So they should cut down to 1,200 rupees, because they are selling their commodity to their stockist or to the distributor at a rate of 800 to 1,000 rupees. So why there is a need of MRP of 4,000? People are taking disadvantage of this MRP which is printed on the box, and so the disadvantage has the impact is on the patient. The patient has to pay the MRP price which is printed on the box itself. So I will be ensuring that the MRP price should come down and everyone should get Remdesivir at a very reasonable price of 1,100 rupees per injection, and that will be done in a day or tomorrow maximum.
Sir, you said that there are only 9 lakh doses which are remaining in the state. So with these new allocation of 17 lakh doses, I want to know when exactly these will be delivered to the state, because if they will be delivered within a day or two, the shortage doesn't really,
I wish that in the previous order it was to be delivered before from 15th of April. But now the changed amended order and the real demand of Maharashtra, I think they have changed the order, they have increased the number of doses, and the schedule of supply also has increased. In this new in this new letter which has been issued, or the amendment letter which has been issued, there is no date mentioned that from which date the actual dispatch will be done. But what I am optimistic, I am very positive that immediately the dispatch will be done, because it is a real need for Maharashtra. So we will ensure that the dispatch is done immediately. So I thank Government of India. They have supplied They have allotted, but not to the extent what we are demanding. So my request, again humble request to Government of India is, please supply 40 lakhs per week and 1 crore 60 lakhs per month. So that is the humble request that I can mention.
As
Thank
now we
you.
don't know when will we get the new stock, sir, just to get.
Immediately the stock is there in the Pune. Only the dispatch orders are required. I think the dispatch order has been issued. I am very optimistic, even though there is no date mentioned on that, but I am taking and I am considering it as there is no date mentioned, so it can be supplied immediately.
Sir, apart from that, do we have a list of how many? Do we have a list of how many vaccination centers across the state have run out of?
There are really thousands of vaccination
Sir, an average
centers,
figure will also-
because you see we are vaccinating.
वाईट साठी नको, असंच तुम्ही इन्फॉर्मेशन काढून द्या ना, किती सेंटर्स, किती स्टाफला
information will really
सांगा,
help.
किती सेंटर्स बंद आहेत डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स मध्ये, काय शॉर्टेज, so that we can come out with proper factual
I'll give you within 5 minutes. Thank you.
Sir, तुम्ही